Good morning, everybody. I wanted to share with you what I've been collecting. Yeah, another plant haul. I still plan to get like 7 more plants, but a couple of them are out of stock, so I'm just waiting on them. But anyways, let's do this one. So far, I got this hollyhocks. It is beautiful. I got it from Facebook Market. I live in Ontario, so we always look for somewhere close or nearby. Another location where I went, I was told that from very far they go to pick up her plants. I'm like, whoa. I'm desperate, but not that desperate. But anyways, yeah, the moment when you want something, you want to go get it, period, right? And I know the feeling, so I don't blame them. So, my dear friends, here is the hollyhock. Isn't it pretty? It's very pretty. I love it. It's so cute. She was selling it for $4 each or for $10, which was a bargain. I mean, really, it was really nice. It's a perennial. And I also got the iris plant. Yeah, but it's no flower on it. I got one of this, which is supposed to be light. I think it's light. It's white, and in the middle is a little bit purplish. And I got another one, which is going to be dark purples. And there's another hollyhock which I got from her. I also got another plant, which is this one, but I forgot the name, guys. I'll put it down below. It makes like big, like it looks like a ball, but it's nice little tiny flower. It's another hollyhock. Yeah, so there's 2 and 3 over there, 2 over there, so I got 4 of them. So yeah, I got that. And I got this silver pothos. Now this has another name because it's not the one with the dots. I will put the name below because I don't remember. Bad girl. Yes, I will put the name down below. I will start putting the names on the bottom. I got this one, and they're pretty big. The leaves are big. And I got, this one is inside a pot. Let me just grab it so I don't drop it. I got this plant from IKEA. It was all dried up, like crunched up, like about to die. And they put it on sale. And immediately when I went to pay, there's a hot dog area where they sell hot dog and drinks and ice cream. I went over there and pressed the water fountain and just poured water in there quickly until I get home. But of course, since it was so dry, it just went through. Yeah, but I did it 3 times anyways. And when I got home, I right away put a lot of water until I felt the soil moist. And now look at it. They are nice and hard and standing. I think that this is the teardrop. Let me read it, how they put the name on, because they put it on sale because of that reason. It's called Peperomia polybotria. Let me put it. There you go. All right, so it's not a small pot, and it's not a small plant. It's a nice, beautiful plant, and it revived, and look at it. It looks like a teardrop, and I'm so glad that it's doing well. Okay, enough blabbery. All right, so I got this one, which is Pink Princess. It's small, and I got 2 of them. A small one. Yeah, my husky, for some reason, I had it in the lower, which he can reach that one. He took it out, this one. He took it out and put it on the ground and started playing with the cup. Yep. The next one I got is the spider plant, the green one. Okay, the green one, because I do have the regular one. So I got the green spider plant. And I got a nice Brazil philodendron. And I'm not sure if I showed you all, but I also got a rattlesnake calathea. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. And it's been there so far. I need to put it in a pot. But what I've decided to do is not repot them yet. I'm going to give them 1 year and then repot them once they're 1 year in the pot. Depending on the roots, of course, you have to check on the bottom to see if it's root bound. Okay, so that's a beauty right there. And I got the micans, the philodendron mican, 2 cuttings, which was very well rooted. And I also have some like 4 cuttings that is not rooted. So yeah, I'm waiting for those to root, and I'll just put it in the same pot. And I got a Chinese evergreen. I think I already put it. I'm getting confused with all the ones that I got already. I got a Marble Queen. POTHOS, another one I know I have already. And this one is called Peperomia pecunifolia. I'm not even sure if it's... I just searched it up using an app because I wasn't sure what plant it is. So apparently that's the name of that one. And I also got this one, which is a big one. It was pretty cheap. She gave it to me for $5 on Facebook again. It's a Tradescatia Blushing Bride. Why? Because behind the leaf, you can see it's pink. It's blushing. It's behind the leaf. It's a unique plant. I have it here in front of the window, which it gets maybe 1 hour sun, because she did say that she had it outside, and it did get a little bit of sun. So far, so good. It's doing well. I had it for a few days, and now I'm going to show you this one. I got a curly spider plant. You can see how curly it is. And I got Hawaiian pothos. This is a huge leaf. Tremendous leaf. It's well rooted, so it just has 3 leaves. Yeah, I got the Hawaiian pothos, and I got another Tradescantia. This is a pretty pink color. It's beauty. It's cute, but this one was more expensive than the other one, which, believe it or not, and I got it from Facebook again. The name is Flumensis tricolor. That's what it's called. I don't know. It's not the one it is not the Nanook, that's for sure. I also got a cutting, which is the Nanook that I got with the hollyhocks. The lady was kind to give me a cutting of the Nanook, which I already had in the past, but I sold it. But I wasn't going to say no, but I just received it. It almost looks the same, but it's not. These are tiny ones, and they're smooth. They're really smooth. They're shiny, as you can see. And I also got this one, which is called Purple Heart. Tradescantia. I don't know why I can't pronounce it. My tongue. My goodness. Purple Heart. I got this one from Facebook as well. And I got the Purple Passion. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that purpleness. It's so gorgeous. I had to have 2 of them. I'm sorry, but I had to. It is so, like, breathtaking. It's lovely. Purple Passion, everybody. And I also got this one here, which is called, she didn't put a name on it. I got this one from Facebook as well. Philodendron ARACEAE. I'll write it down on the bottom. But for me, that I kind of investigated a little bit, this one looks like Queen of CHIANGMAI. It's big leaves as well. And the stem is purple. And a piece of it broke. But there's a new one coming out there. Yes, it's a beautiful plant I got. I also got this one, which is a very small one. It is called, this one is the Philodendron Red Emerald. That's what she called it. Again, from Facebook. It's small though. What I really wanted more is of this one. I love how the leaf turns, like when it's new leaves, it turns into reddish orange color underneath. Look how it is. It's beautiful. I wanted like a bigger one, but it's so far and I don't drive. If I drive, God gracious, you'll see me go get it myself. But I'm trying to see if I get a bigger pot of this philodendron because I love it so much and I want to be hanging it in front of a very bright window, and it will thrive beautifully. So my friends, that is my plant haul. I hope you enjoyed the small plant haul. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.